Welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video, we will see one important program, how to sum the elements in an array. Okay. So first what we'll do the array declaration by creating an array. So let's do that. Int array equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and then finally do the sum. So in order to do the sum, what we need to do, we need to call arrays dot stream array, so dot sum. So when we call arrays dot stream of array, what it does is it converts the array into stream. So what this does, it will convert array into int stream, which is a stream of primitive int values. It's nothing but it's a stream of primitive int values. And when we call dot sum, it's a terminal operation that sums all the elements in the int stream. So it will sum all the elements in the int stream. First, when we call arrays dot stream, what it does, it will convert array of elements into stream, and finally when we call sum, it will do the sum a terminal operation on all the elements in the stream, and finally call system.out.println sum. Okay, this is the first method. Let's run the program and see the output. You see the output is 15 by using first method. I'm just putting here method 1, and there are different ways, and let's go to the second method. So first method is by using the arrays class. Second one is what we need to do, we need to convert it into a list of integers. So whatever the array we have taken, right, so just create a list out of arrays dot as list of array, and then list integer list equal to arrays dot list, arrays dot list of array. So just say arrays dot as list of. So this one will take, okay. So let's do one thing, otherwise we have to take the list of integers here instead of arrays dot as list. Okay, let's do this method then by using the reduce method, by using reduce for summation. So int sum equal to arrays dot stream of array dot reduce, arrays dot stream of dot reduce, and here call 0 comma 0 comma a comma b lambda expression a plus b, and I'm calling it as sum1 since we already defined sum here, so I'm just calling it as sum1, and finally print system.out.println sum1. Okay, so for this we need arrays class, and then we need to declare an array. For this method we need to create and declare an array. The third step, which is the important step, so when we say arrays dot stream of array, so it creates an integer stream from the array. And when we call, okay, dot reduce 0 comma a comma b, okay, lambda expression a plus, so what it does is it uses the reduce method to sum the element. So 0 is the initial value here, okay, so 0 is the initial value, and a comma b, a plus b is a lambda expression, that defines how two elements are combined. And finally, we are printing the sum one. Let's run the program and see the output. Let's run the program and see the output. So method 1 15 and method 2 15. Hope you understand, right? So this is the second method. And what is the third method is, so here we have created an integer array. Instead of that, we can create a double array and sum that. So it's as simple as creating an integer. Okay, creating an integer array. So I don't want to go through that method, which is a simple one. Okay, so hope you understand this video, how to sum the elements in an array. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this